Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AI-powered upsells in JurnyOS so that you can earn extra revenue without the extra work. Let's get started. First, log into your Jurny account, and then using the left-hand side menu here, scroll down to Setup, and then find Upsells. Once you're here, you can click on the Add Upsell button on the top right. Here, you have 4 different options that you can begin with. You can create an upsell from scratch, or you can use one of our 3 pre-existing templates for late checkout, early check-in, or extending your stay. I'm going to create one from scratch because this will give you a full understanding of how to create upsells, even if you're using a template. So the first thing that you can do here is upload an image. I'm going to go ahead and find an image that I have prepared and add it to my upsell. The second thing you have to do is give it a title. I'm going to call this one a spa day full package. And then you have the option to give it a code, like spa full. The description is going to be used by the AI when it offers this upsell to your guests. So it's a good idea to use something very catchy and descriptive in this field. Next thing that you need to do is indicate the upsell type. So in this case, it is a generic upsell because it's not one of the 3 existing templates that we've created. If you're creating an upsell for an additional night, an early check-in, or a late checkout, then select those options. Otherwise, stick to generic. Here you can assign which units are going to have access to this upsell. So I've selected the first 3. And then you can indicate whether or not you want to offer this upsell indefinitely. If you enable this, then it will be offered indefinitely. If you disable this, you can enter a quantity here. So if this was something that you had a limited quantity of, you could enter it in this field, and it will only offer until that quantity is used up. Next, you need to enter your amount. So I'm going to say this is a $200 full day spa package. And last but not least, you can enable autonomous upsells here with Nia. If I enable this, it opens up a workflow builder where I can train my upsell agent on how and when to offer this upsell. So the first thing I'm going to do is click edit on step 1 here, which is offering the upsell if, meaning this is where we create our conditions to offer this upsell. So I'm going to say 2 days before check-in. And now Nia will create that condition for this upsell for me. See, there it is. I'm also going to say reservations that are on a weekend. And so this will continue to create these conditions for me until I'm happy. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm these conditions. And now step 2 in my workflow is the Nia automation. So this is how the AI is going to offer this upsell. So you can choose just to offer the upsell. This is the default way, or you can choose to offer the upsell with a custom message to that guest. And this is a little bit more of a personalized approach. And then you can choose whether you want to offer that through direct message, through email, through SMS, or through WhatsApp. And then I want to add one more step to this workflow. I want to notify a human if and when this upsell is purchased. I can choose to notify a user or the property owner. In this case, I'm going to notify a user, and I'm going to notify the admin here. I'm going to go ahead and create the upsell. And then I'm going to go ahead and create the upsell.